My brother and sister, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and all people. I pledge my devotions in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind, Jai Sathe. Assembly, where is from?
Good morning everyone. Today is the struggle you are in today is need for tomorrow. But integrate you for the better tomorrow. I thought the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Thank you, Karsika Arya Shastra of Course Science School, Gorakhal, last night.
Good morning everyone. Today news headlines are as follows. First, from international news, Lufthansa to cut 33,000 flights due to Omicron. Second, no long restrained road trip for Afghan women without maid escort Taliban. Second, some national news, Maharashtra record highest single dose increase COVID-19 case, more cups in Andhra Pradesh. Second, Amit Shah lead a parliament on Nagaland killing Congress. At last, sport news, Jamshedpur play out 1-1 draw with Kerala after a short national goal. Second, Dabang Delhi hold Gujarat Giants to 24-24 tied in PKL. Thank you, Kaushika Amar Bhadushil, class 7 course 69.
Good morning everyone. Today topic of my speech is air pollution. The air pollution is caused by many things and many greenhouse gases that present in our atmosphere. The air pollution caused by the gases that released in our atmosphere by factories. It also caused the many monuments of India that harms to it, like Taj Mahal. It is day by day yellowing by the gases released by the factory that was related to it. So to prevent the air pollution, we will have to do reforestation, plant new trees, and use bicycles and electric vehicles. Today do not give pollution. Thank you, Vatsivir Somen Kumar, course at School Godagal 9th.
Morning everyone. Today's word of the day is fines. Its part of speech is verb and its meaning is to handle or to do something. Its synonyms are acumen and savvy, and antonyms are ignorance and honesty.
Assembly Savan, Establishment by Wood, Rastikan Surukar.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष
की भारत माता की भारत माता की Islamic line Wood line third teaching staff line third academy about 10 line third Luton trumpet to be on